Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the installation and setup process of the Monday Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Navigate to App Marketplace and click on it. Next, go to your search bar and search for the application you would like to install. When you find it, just click on it. After the interface is loaded, you click on Install. Scroll down to your bottom and click on Allow and Install. Next, you cancel this prompt. Scroll down on your sidebar to the bottom. Refresh your page. Next, you scroll down to the bottom of that sidebar. You'll find a new custom page which has been created. You click on it. And on this page, we have several tabs which are here to help us with this application. The first tab is the Documentation tab, which contains the document which has information about the application. Next, we have the Tutorial tab. The Tutorial tab has a video and a set of smart cues to help us get the necessary credentials for the installation process. Next, we have the Setup tab. This Setup tab is what we set up our application. Let's get into that. First, head into your Monday account that was created online. Click on your profile. Next, click on Developers and API token. Click on Show and copy. Head back to your account. Click on Start Setup and paste your API token. Next, click on Complete. Your application has been successfully installed and set up. The next part is the support. In this area, you can do calls with our support team if you face any difficulty. You can also create tickets to explain any difficulty you face. In the next tab, we have the change log. The change log permits you to correct information on any changes that have been made to the application. If you would like to receive notifications each time a change is made, toggle this on, fill in your email address, and click on subscribe. Once that is done, you will receive notifications each time a change is made in the application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you next time.